Yo, what's up? I'm Frank. And welcome to the Chainsaw Man. So here we are once again after the last episode, which I could say some things about, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'll reserve my word. We all knew how we felt after watching that fucking episode. That genuinely must have been the biggest twist of emotions I have felt in the recent times. Without much further ado, let's jump right into the Chainsaw Man episode 8. Did they or did they not? That is the question. Wait, it's the morning after. I think they might have. You know, I love the fact they all wear suits. It gives them some sort of a weird coolness effect for some reason. Weird people in suits look cool. Normal people in suits look lame. But weird people. Denji needs a suit. And this animation, holy... I got to watch Attack on Titan again, which is pretty fucking cool. But like, they have so many stills in that anime, which nothing wrong with that, of course. It suits the show. It's just kind of insane how much animation is in this for just the most mundane stuff. It feels 3D, but most of it I don't think is 3D. That's the thing. At least from what I heard, most of it is not. Still? Why is he twitching like that? That's not 3D, that's... I don't think that was 3D. It was way too shaky for... Oh... It's not the morning after. We are still in there, huh? Jesus.
なんで私ん家にいんの？あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキくんもあんな照れちゃってさ。もう、牛。
Dude. Yeah, here we go. Some bouncy ass bed, by the way. She got them eyes.
しちゃう?
Jesus, man, fuck this fucking show. And not only the animation, but the cinematography in an animated thing. It's insane. The way they chose the shots. Like you see the foot as she bounces on the bed. What the fuck? Anyways, man, if you'd like to see these early, check out the page link down below, the first link below. Become a slug today. If you do, thanks. Thank you.
Banzai.
Stick him up. Oh, thing.
いい子。
しちゃっていいのか。
I think he's in a
マキマさんと
trance.
するはずだったファーストキスをケロで汚した女にその女に初めてを奪われていいのか。よし。
Yes.
よしよし。
Yeah, do not... Whatever you do, do not pull on that.
脱ぎましょうね。
Oh. Dude, what the fuck is happening right now? What am I watching?
ポッケになんか入っちゃるよ。
Yeah.
チュッパチャップス？来たね。
Chupa chips.
マキマさん、俺クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。
She smokes?
俺はこれからいろんな女性とキスをしてもきっとキスのたびに今日の味を思い出すのかな。
Yeah, that's a good point, I guess.
口開けて。
Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, remember that? Tastes like
多分
lollipop?
一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよ。でも大丈夫。デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験する。
Yeah.
ゲロの味を思い出してる暇なんてないよ。
Very to experience it all.
とりあえず
Even the puke.
ファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
悪いな、ポチタ。お前もエッチしたかった。
You said no?
でも俺、初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ。
Damn, that is a one powerful fucking will. I could not.
デンジ君おは
人見下ろしながら食う飯はうめえな。
What?
デンジ君昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど
She did?
私に
Yeah, I
乱
guess.
暴なことされなかった？
誰がゲロ女とやっかよ。
Yeah.
俺は初めてはマキマさんと
Alright,
決め
good
たん
choice,
だ。
man.
デンジ君は変わってるね。普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
はあ？
Huh?
ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
Yeah.
そういやデンジ君もマキマさん好
Food
き
is
な
food.
の？
超好き。
I super like
例え
it.
ばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？
クソ好き。
Huh?
よし私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
おうわマジ？
マジマジ私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ、私とアキ君くっつけてよ。
What do you mean? Get with Aki.
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔。
乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
It's got a beautiful eyes.
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて、友達で行こう。
She's being really nice. Like,
たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキ君を連れてね。
the fiends too? You sure about that? It's gonna fucking wreck your apartment.
来ねえかな。
Maybe, maybe not. Gotta ask.
京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんな怖いんだもん。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。
She's intimidated by somebody? Really?
お酒美味しかった。
Oh man, I gotta fucking do something. Ah, there we go. Oh no. The fuck just happened? I don't think that happened. Did it? That was way too casual for it to actually happen. That didn't happen. What the fuck?
なんだこの音。
この音じゃ。
祭りか。
ここのラーメンよく食えるな。味ひどくないか？
誰？
俺は普通にうめえけどな。
わしに気安く話しかけるな。
まあ仕方ないことだ。幼少期に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になるらしい。俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。高い店でいいもん食わせてもらったな。じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ、みんなに好かれた江戸っ子かたぎのいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
What the fuck?
何のつもりだてめえ。知り合いか？
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Here it is. Oh my god!
早川、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is happening? It's the guy from the intro.
姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
さあ、
Is this a gun devil? No.
1
とどめをさせ。
0
The fuck just happened?
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
あいつ銃を使っていやがった。
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Why?
ひとまず 姫野先輩の治療を。
呪いの悪魔。
Curse
その持
devil.
っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。
どこから来た？そいつの仲間か。
はあ。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
No! No. What did he just do? What did he just do?
とどめを刺して。
私はいいからアキ君を助けて。無理じゃん、あいつの動き見えんかったもん。ゴースト。
嫌だ、あの女恐ろしい。
私の全部をあげるから、ゴーストの全部使わせて。
Shit. No fucking way.
アキ君は泣くことができる。デビルハンターは身近な死に慣れすぎて涙が出なくなる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。アキ君は死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ、泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ丸飲み。帰れ。
Dude. Oh, fuck. And then was the Chainsaw Man. So apologies if this was a bit of a shit reaction, I guess. But dude, never before have I been so fucking shocked by anything, I think. What just happened? Fucking Himeno's dead. Yep. Alright, so first of all, the MVP of this episode. I don't fucking know, man. Himeno, I fucking guess. What happened? What the actual fuck? Okay, so I teared up, okay? I did a little bit, but but the weird fucking thing, me being sad about Aki and Himeno, getting completely fucking overrun by just sheer shock. What the fuck? I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. What to even begin with. That just went from 0 to 100 so fucking fast. What? I guess just go kind of through the episode. So first of all, we had the whole Himeno Denji night thing. Okay, nice that Denji didn't take advantage of Himeno here being drunk and all that. Nice one, Denji, I guess. Then some other shit happened as well. Makima said she had a good time with the people in the bar, and as she was in the train, she got shot, which I'm kinda... Well, at first, it just so fucking came out of nowhere. At first, I thought it didn't happen, and then I thought, like, her eyes are so weird, I don't think she's human. She might still survive. They wouldn't kill her like that, right? They wouldn't kill her like that. Then that whole thing with the grandma with the gun happened, with the scared girl whose name I forgot. Did she get shot too? And then, of course, the very last one, Himeno and Aki and the curse devil? What the? I need to. Fuck. I'm so fucking confused as well with what the fuck. Just like the fucking sheer amount of confusion that's being thrown at you this episode. It just literally fucking chucks you off the plot. You're just standing there like, is this really happening? What the fuck? Everybody's dying. What? And yeah, that's the episode in a nutshell, I guess. So yeah, just thanks to the sheer fucking shock, I didn't really understood the devil and his friends and the skeleton bullshit that was happening against her power. What I did understood though was Aki about to die, and Himeno's like, no son, you are not ghost devil that I have a contract with. You can take everything if you protect him. And so he did. The fucking the Back in the Future style. No, well, yeah, Back in the Future too. But what I was referencing more is the one movie Looper. You know what I'm talking about if you saw Looper. And yeah, that was sad as shit. After the fucking episode was sad as shit. I so wanna be mad, man, but I'm just impressed by the episode. Fuck. Alright, I don't think I'll squeeze anything else out of me for whatever the fuck just happened. So let's go check Reddit. But yeah, man, I apologize if the reaction was kind of shit. Again, it genuinely probably was the most shocked I've been yet. Jesus. Especially after the last episode, because like well, I mean, serious shit happened so far, a bit here and there, but you would never fucking think shit like this would go down so fast and so early. Like, holy shit, usually you can predict it, like if you see them, a group of characters being all happy and shit, just before the finale or something, you think, alright, somebody's dying. But this is the middle of the season, what the fuck? Cliffhanger's last episode, will Denji hook up? Cliffhanger's this episode, is anyone still alive? Everyone is dying so quickly, I don't even have a fucking clue what's happening. Turns out the Yakuza have a family too. It was a Yakuza? And the Yakuza don't deal in survivors. Right, yeah, because the first guy was a Yakuza. And he turned himself into a devil. Like, fuck off. How many people, how many did they kill? Are definitely is surviving. Good luck with everybody else though. Oh man, like even her holding back like that. She never hold it back like that. There were so many things happening this episode. I was literally confused, Mr. Krabs. Yeah. Makima straight up getting shot in the train. So many people with guns blazing, making me believe this has some influence from the gun devil. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Kabeni and Akai presumably get shot. Sword devil, pretty much looking like Denji. And his grandfather was that zombie Yakuza guy. Wait, Himeno dies also, what? And who is the red-eyed girl with the snake devil? Poor guy, even in death no one remembers his real name. I don't know nothing about the guy. No fucking way they died, man. No fucking way they both died. There's no I'm refusing. This is another fucking Eren situation. I'm refusing to believe, man. No fucking way did everybody die. Himeno and her ghost devil fighting the girl with her snake devil is literally throwing hands. Yeah. That secret alliance didn't last long. Oh, between Denji and Himeno. Oh no. Well, I mean, at least now I know what to expect a bit from the show. Even though I probably don't. It's kind of fucking what the fuck, man. I'm stumbling over my words. I don't know what to say. I'm literally speechless. So where'd all the plot armor go? For most offers, popularity polls are a list of characters not to kill to not invoke fan backlash. But for Fujimoto, it's a hit list. Oh, don't fucking say that. What the fuck? Yes. Himeno, more like Himen, no longer alive, am I right? Okay. No way did all the main cast just get killed off like that. Only Aki and Power seem to be alive. Denji got shot too. Right. What in the ever-loving fuck just happened? Man, this is the Red Wedding episode. Fuck! No! Can we go back to the horniness? Can we go just back to the horniness and everybody still being alive, please? Vince Gilligan has done it again. Okay, what the people on the Chainsaw Man anime say? Me, a hardcore Makima fan after seeing episode 8. This subject can't feel anything, he's dead inside. This just hits different now. Fuck, man, fuck. TV anime ED8 first death? What the fuck do you mean first death? No, not first death, no. And there you have it, folks. That was the Chainsaw Man episode 8. I'm gonna be mad for a week until the next one shows up. If you have enjoyed this reaction, leave a like below. If you wanna see more of these and not miss them, leave a sub below. And yeah, what did you think about this fucking episode? Did you like it, you fucking psychopath? Did you? What do you think? Leave a comment below. And as always, early reactions can be found on Patreon by clicking the first link down below. Become a sloth today. Thanks. And of course, a big ol' shout out to the one and only B for the amazing support. Thank you, man. You're a legend. Alright, I think this is... I am so fucking sad, man. I am genuinely fucking sad. Fuck. Alright, well, it's gonna be it for the Chainsaw Man. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.